In this video, I will show you how to create an action figure in ChatGPT. Let's get started. First, I click the plus icon and select Add Photos and Files to upload a reference photo from my computer. Once the image is uploaded, I'll open my notes to copy a detailed prompt. I'm describing a hyper-realistic collector's action figure in a sealed toy box with specific background colors and gold accents, making sure to include custom accessories like a laptop and a coffee cup. I paste the prompt into the chat and send it. While the AI is creating the image, it analyzes the person's outfit and features from the photo to match the figure. When the render is finished, I click the image to check the details. To make it even more personal, I'll add a custom name to the box. I'm copying a follow-up prompt to place the name Super Josh in large, bold letters at the top of the packaging. I paste that into the chat and hit send. Once the updated image is ready, you can see the name perfectly integrated into the final design. If you want to try a different style, you can always start a new chat with a different theme. Here, I'm pasting a prompt for a marketing boss professional action figure, including accessories like a smartphone and a growth chart, but this time without using a reference photo. After ChatGPT generates the new design, I'll click the download icon to save my custom action figure image to my computer. If you found this walkthrough helpful for creating your own custom AI art, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.